Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedren, and of course it's New Music Friday. Busy Signal dropped his Afrobeat-inspired track My Circle today. The song from the international dancehall producer Jas Cohn talks about the DJ protecting his inner circle.
It's not easy to be a part of my circle. My circle. You can't diss me. Who them a style up? Them like not certain. Not certain.
Now, after a week, Valiant's Mad Out is #1 trending on YouTube. The track is filled with humor and theatrics.
Hey, move out my way. No, me I'm mad some mad day.
And of course, How We Roll follows a few other successful collabs, including her March release of The Girls, which saw a trending remix featuring rappers Lola Brooke and which features a new limited edition capsule collection of apparel and accessory for every generation. For the campaign, Sarah models alongside her 2 children, both of whom she shares with the football player husband, Russell Wilson. Now, this weekend, the National Stadium comes alive for the Grand Gala on Independence Day. The night will see the return of the spectacular drone show and a special performance from this year's Icon awardees, Morgan Heritage. Now get your free tickets and come out in your black, green and gold. And after the gala, the party continues at Mandela Park for a free Independence Street Splash, 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. Music by Donovan Dakers, Roderick Howell and DJ Enzo, hosted of course by Jenny. You can also join us here on TVJ at 10 p.m. along with our radio brands and RETV as we officially close out Jamaica 61 Independence celebration. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedren. Enjoy your holiday and keep safe.